Can you heal your DNA? Science says yes. Hi champions, I'm Dr. Meghna Dikshit, author of You Matter, and I'm so excited to welcome you to our channel. Here we dive deep into the limitless potential of your mind and your brain. Lots of healing, lots of success secrets, and help you to heal from your past. Prepare for an extraordinary future. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the tools and insights I give you to thrive in your life. For my committed subscribers, welcome back on the journey of mastering your mind and living your best life. So if you are ready now to understand, can you really heal your DNA and DNA patterns? Type ready in the chat box so we take this journey forward. Let me ask you something. Have you ever believed that your health issues, aging process, or even your emotional reactions were in your DNA? And there's nothing you could do about it. We have all heard things like, it runs in the family, my genes are bad, this disease is in my bloodline. But what if I told you your DNA is not your destiny? What if the power to repair and even reverse genetic damage was already within you, and it begins with simple, conscious lifestyle changes? Let me take you through a real life case that blew me away. This gentleman came to our introductory webinar in 2021. He was just stuck in his relationships, money, career, health. There was no joy in living. He was a walking dead. The background is he came from a family of doctors. His parents, both set of grandfathers, maternal uncles, cousins, all doctors. His father was an endocrinologist. This gentleman, let's call him Praveen, was born with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. He grew up with the belief that diabetes is in his genetics. He accepted it, but that prevented him from living a full life. Until he came for our programs. Over here, Praveen learned the role of emotions and thoughts on our body. It took 4 long years of continuous working on his childhood patterns of helplessness, powerlessness, and shame. What he discovered was very shocking. The patterns of helplessness, powerlessness, and shame actually ran in his family. His parents, his grandparents, and past generations all were feeling the same way. And these patterns were literally creating havoc in his DNA and his life. Today, he is able to reverse the diabetes with the help of all our processes. He started healing not only his life, but he started healing his DNA and the ancestral patterns. And in 4 years, he is able to reverse the diabetes. He is a shining example to all our community members. He could reverse his type 1 diabetes. Inspired? Type inspired in the chat box. Let me share another case study. Rohit is a 39-year-old executive working in a high-stress tech firm in Mumbai. At just 35, he was diagnosed with an autoimmune disorder. His doctors told him it was genetic. He would need to be on medication possibly for life. But something within Rohit didn't sit right. He reached out to me, and after assessing his health, history, and emotional stress levels, I asked him a question he had not considered. What if this is not your genetics, but your epigenetics? We'll talk about that word in just a minute. Long story short, Rohit made a few lifestyle changes, but more importantly, he began to work on his inner world and took actions in the outer world. He began meditating daily. He shifted to an anti-inflammatory diet. He started processing his emotions on daily basis. He committed to a 7 hours of sleep, and within 6 months, his inflammation markers had dropped. His energy returned, and his medication dosage was cut in half. Rohit didn't change his genes, he changed his environment. Praveen did not change his genes, but only changed his inner environment. And that changed how his genes expressed. This is the science of DNA repair through lifestyle. So what exactly is DNA? Let's get to the basics. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is the instruction manual of your body. It tells your cells what to do, how to function, and how to repair damage. We inherit our DNA from our parents. And for years, scientists believed DNA was fixed. But we now know that gene expression, how your genes behave, can be turned on and off based on lifestyle choices, stress, diet, movement, sleep, and even your thoughts. This field of study is called epigenetics. What is epigenetics then? The game changer of life. Epi means above. So epigenetics means above the gene. It's the study of how your behaviors and environment can change the way your genes work without changing the genetic code itself. Your genes are the script, but you are the director. And the way you eat, move, think, feel, sleep, and connect determines which part of the script gets activated or silenced. This is amazing news, isn't it? Because it means that your family history is not your destiny. Let me share another story of a 47-year-old school teacher. She was aging faster than her peers. Graying hair, joint pain, fatigue, and brain fog. Her biological age was 58. That is 11 years older than her actual age. This biological age is measured through telomeres. We'll talk about that shortly. But the lady was not ready to give in. She switched to a plant-rich diet, started yoga and pranayama, practiced gratitude journaling, and began sleeping 8 hours nightly. I guided her through some very powerful daily processes that we teach our students in our advanced programs, and to get over past emotional trauma and baggage. 1 year later, her biological age came down by 7 years. What happened? Her lifestyle signaled her cells to repair the damage, extend her telomeres, and rejuvenate her DNA expression. Now let's understand what damages our DNA. Before we look at how to repair our DNA, we have to understand what is causing the damage. Chronic stress, lack of sleep, inflammatory foods like processed sugar, fried items, environmental toxins, pollution, smoking, alcohol, sedentary lifestyle, negative thoughts, and unresolved trauma. That's why healing must be holistic. Can we really repair the DNA and its damage? Absolutely yes. Your body has a natural DNA repair mechanisms, but they need the right conditions to function effectively. Your body heals on its own. Think of your DNA like a library with books. Damage is like pages being torn, but lifestyle changes act like librarians that come in and restore those pages if you let them. Here are 6 powerful ways you can start boosting your DNA repair and activate cellular healing. First, food. Food is information to your DNA. What you eat is not just fuel, it's information for your genes. Choose foods that fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, methi, berries rich in oxidants. Third is turmeric. Curcumin aids DNA repair. Fourth is nuts and seeds, omega-3s and omega-6 for cellular health. Fifth is cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, detoxify DNA damaging toxins. Sixth is certain foods like broccoli sprout contain sulforaphane, which has been proven to activate DNA repairing genes. Next you need to do, very important one, more than food, is to manage your stress through meditation, breath work, and emotional processing. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol and free radicals that attack your DNA. But when you meditate, breathe deeply, and stay mindful, process your emotions on daily basis, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes healing, regeneration, and repair. Studies show that even 8 weeks of daily meditation can turn off inflammatory genes and turn on repair genes. Next is prioritizing your deep sleep. Sleep is when your body goes into repair mode. Deep sleep, especially between 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., is when growth hormone is released, which helps with cellular repair, including DNA. Do this for better sleep. First, avoid screens 2 hours before bed. Second, wind down with calming music or reading. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. Sleep by 10 p.m. if possible. Another power move to heal your DNA is move your body daily. Movement does not just keep you fit, it turns on longevity genes. Walking, yoga, dancing, strength training. Research shows regular exercise improves mitochondrial function and enhances DNA repair enzymes. Heal your emotional wounds. Emotions carry energy. They are energy in motion. Repressed anger, grief, or shame creates internal stress. Work through your past. Forgive, express, heal yourself. Talk to someone, journal. Seek support and process your emotions. As you heal emotionally, your cellular vibration shifts and your DNA begins to relax and repair. Practice gratitude and positive thinking. This may sound spiritual, but it is backed by science. Positive thoughts and a sense of purpose reduces inflammatory markers and increases telomeres, an enzyme that protects your DNA. I've done a separate video on gratitude. Do watch that. Start with 3 things you're grateful for daily, or end your day with one sentence. Today, I choose love and growth. Your body, your brain, your genes, they are listening to what you eat, how you breathe, your thoughts, your sleep, how much joy and love you allow in. You are not broken. You are a miraculous organism with the ability to repair, restore, and rise. If you want a quick reminder of how to begin, here's your DNA repair starter plan. First, eat vibrant and whole foods. Second, sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. Third, meditate or breathe mindfully daily. Fourth, move your body with joy. Fifth, express your emotions healthily. Sixth, love yourself like your life depends on it because it does so. My champions, your DNA is not a prison. It's a blueprint with flexible options. And you are the architect. If this video resonated with you, give me a thumbs up. Share your goosebump moments in this video and share it with somebody who will get benefited from this video. If you need more help on DNA healing and repair, do check out on 2 links that are posted in the caption. First is to attend my complimentary seminar just for you and rewire your brain so that your DNA starts healing. And second is to buy my book You Matter from Amazon and start working on your DNA repair through healing and creating bigger goals for yourself. Do share, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care of your body, love yourselves, and remember, you matter.